Yeah. So, here electric current and circuit. Okay, this is a class in CBSE. Okay, first of all, welcome to Balaraju Physics Academy. Today's topic ఏంటంటే electric current and circuits. This is the today's topic, right? So, in the today topic, electric current. Current means the rate of flow of charges is called current. What is it one? Rate of flow of charges is called current. Flow of charges or the flow of electrons ని మనం ఏమంటాము కరెంట్ అంటాం. ద ఫ్లో ఆఫ్ చార్జెస్ ఆర్ ద ఫ్లో ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ కరెంట్. సి హౌ ద ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఆర్ ఫ్లోయింగ్, రైట్? ద చార్జ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎలక్ట్రాన్ is negative. The charge of the electron is negative. The flow of electric charges is called current or the flow of electrons. This current we can represent it by letter I. So I is equal to, what is the formula? You can see I is equal to Q by T. We can write Q means the charge, T means time. Okay, rate of flow of charge is called current. I is equal to Q by T. This current we can measure in ampere, or simply we can write A. Okay, right? I means current, Q means charge, T means time. The current, the unit of current is ampere, the unit of charge is coulomb, the unit of time is second. Okay, that's why I is equal to Q by T. Yes or no? So what we can say, I is equal to Q by T. Correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I am writing here. So now see here I am writing. Are you able to see this one? I is equal to Q by T. Q means what? Here, Q means charge. Charge is measured in coulomb. Right? Time. This is time. Time is measured in second. So this current is equal to charge by time. The charge we are measuring in coulombs. Time we are measuring in second. That's why coulomb per second. This is equal to ampere. So we can current is measured in amperes, or shortly we can write amps. So are you getting what I'm saying here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this current we can measure by using one instrument that is called ammeter. Already in the last class we discussed about the symbols. The symbol of ammeter, the symbol of voltmeter, symbol of galvanometer, right? The ammeter, that is an instrument to measure the current. Okay, the symbol of the ammeter is like this. To measure the current, this ammeter is used to measure the current. This always connect in series. Okay, upcoming class we'll see why should we connect this ammeter in series, why not in parallel. Okay, right? Any questions? Listen. Example. One example. 10 coulombs in 2 seconds means how many amperes of current is passing, traveling? Means he has given the charge and time. The charge is 10 coulombs, time is 2 seconds. 10 coulombs in 2 seconds means how much of current? 5 amperes of current. Make a note of this. One example. Now, electric circuit basics. A circuit is closed path for current flow. Circuit must be closed. If circuit is not closed, the current will not travel. Current will not flow. Yes, when circuit will close? When you switch on, the circuit will close. When you switch off, the circuit will break. So here, one condition, a circuit is closed path for a current flow. Second one, must include a source. Source means battery. Yes or no? Any source you can take. Right. Conductor means what? Wire, which allow the electricity to pass through them, are called conductors. And load also must be. And open circuit means closed circuit. When circuit is open, no current flow. Current will not flow in the open circuit. Yes, I will show that one. Practically in the virtual lab, we will see. If circuit is closed, current flow. Right? That circuit is closed means switch on condition. circuit is open means switch off condition. Remember this. To draw the circuit, we require some symbols. Okay, let us see one by one. See, common symbols what? Number one, cell, a battery, a switch, open switch, close switch, and resistor, and wire, right? So symbol for the first of all, symbol number one, cell. Okay, this is called cell. One positive terminal, one negative terminal. The group of cells combined battery will form. This is a symbol for battery. Okay, so one is a switch, open switch. If you close or open, jig-jog line, that is a resistor, which opposes the flow of current is called resistor. Clear? Right? A straight line is the wire. Means like a conductor. Are you catching what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
For example, one cell and the number of cells. If you take the number of cells, for example, one cell is 1.5 volts. If you add two cells, 3 volts. If you add three cells, 4.5. If you add one more, yes, 6. When you add in the series, the voltage or EMF increases. Okay, now let us check concept. Quick concept check. Right, come on, see. If 15 coulombs of charge flows through a wire in 3 seconds, what is the current? Try to understand the question. 15 coulombs of charge flows through a wire. How much of time is flowing? 3 seconds. So what is the current?
5.
5
5
amperes.
amperes.
You want to find the current, what is required? What is the formula? First of all, see option 1, A, option B, option C, option D. Now your time starts. Ten seconds time. Time is up. Okay, now
Right.
one can find the answer. Right answer is
Number 5, B.
5
Option B.
Because simply we can do I is equal to what is the formula? Q by T. Q how much he has given? 15 coulomb. Time how much he has given? 3. So 15 by 3 is equal to how much? So 5 amperes of current is flows. Correct?
Yes, sir.
You getting what I'm saying here?
Yes, sir.
Right. Summary, what we are learning here? Current flow. Okay. Current is flow of charge. The formula is I is equal to Q by T. Here Q is the current. Sorry, I is the current. Q is the charge. T is the time. The charge is measured in coulombs. Time is measured in second. Right? The coulomb per second is called ampere. Okay, the current is measured in amperes. Shortly, we can say amps. So it needs a closed circuit. And we have discussed and we have seen some symbols for the NEET diagram. Okay. So this current we can measure by using one instrument that is called ammeter. The ammeter always we should connect in series. Okay. Thank you.